Mamaya.
Ako lang.
Hindi pa tapos. Anong letter to? Anong number to?
11.
Very good. Next. Ang galing! Very good. 13. Eto, ano letter to?
X.
Yes. This one.
K.
K. Very good. Ano letter to?
Okay, now that we have watched the
C.
story,
Ah,
what should we take away
galing.
from this lesson? Question 1. Which son asked for a share of the property?
Okay, next.
Question
Kaya mo
2.
kaya to? Alam mo
Was
kaya
the
to?
younger son wise or foolish with what he inherited?
6.
Ano?
16.
16.
What did the
Very
younger son
good.
do to the money he
Eto.
gained?
Wait.
Did he
Alam
save
mo
it
pa kaya to?
or did he spend it?
Eto.
20.
Ang galing!
Question 4. Without
Next.
money or
Next.
food,